Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn, I can't cuff you, baby girl, cause I ain't passionate. She want a real nigga, her last dude was average. I'ma get inside that pussy and I'ma crashing it. I'ma lay inside that pussy like a bassinet. Then I'm passing it, hop in the coupe and smashing it. My style extravagant, and I roll with the savages. My squad immaculate, and we living on some lavish shit. These niggas mad as shit, pussy niggas should never switch. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I got the Durango here, that y'all can see. You got the Durango here. And in my last video, you know, I said I was gonna be focusing on the Charger and doing the modifications to the Charger, but since this Durango is my daily driver, before we start working on the Charger, there's a couple things we gotta get done to this, just so we can be straight while we driving, you know what I'm saying? So hit the like button, man. Make sure you tune in and watch the whole video. Don't skip nothing, watch the whole video. I'm back, I'm about to start dropping videos again, man. So yeah. So yeah, when I bought my Durango, it had this hideous pinstripe on it. And I'm gonna show y'all the easiest way to remove pinstripe on your car if you need to do this. My pinstripes were painted on, so if you have some vinyl pinstripes or some other type, this method may not work for you. But if you have painted on pinstripes, I'm gonna show y'all the easiest way to remove them. I just showed y'all the pinstripe on that side. Now look at this side, the driver's side. As you can see, it's gone. So I completely removed that pinstripe from this side already, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it and do it on the other side. Now, as y'all can see, no pinstripe at all on this side. It's exactly the way that I want this car to look. Much better without the pinstripes. So in my attempts to do this, I made a few mistakes. As you can see, I tried to remove the pinstripe with these rotary tools, and it kind of scratched up the paint a little bit. Yeah, so I mean, you live and you learn, you know. You make these kind of mistakes so you can learn to benefit from them. Had I not even made that mistake, I wouldn't even thought to try this method, which I'm about to show you right now. So and once I show y'all this, y'all gonna be like fucking mind blown. It's so simple and easy. So the easiest way to remove this pinstriping, you get yourself some WD-40, you get yourself some 2000 grit sandpaper and a microfiber cloth. You get the WD-40, draw a small line. Just like that, as you can already see right here. Just that easy and simple. We just removed it. We can move down and keep going. As y'all can see, we just did this whole fender in like 5-10 minutes. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish out the car, get rid of the last bit of pinstripe, and then we're gonna take it out and see how it looks. Alright, so now we removed all the pinstriping. If you can see, it's a little fade. I don't know how well y'all can see that on camera, but yeah, y'all can see how it's glossy here and then it fades. So it's faded all where the pinstripe was, and I sanded that. So I'm gonna show y'all how to fix this and get the paint looking back normal. As you can see, everywhere the pinstripe was, it's a little faded. Yeah, y'all can definitely see it better over on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that right now. This whole project that I'm doing right now, I'm using stuff that I already had, so I didn't have to buy nothing for this. So what I'm about to use right now is this McGuire's compound, and y'all can buy some of this for probably like $12, I think. And this is just gonna help the paint get that gloss back in it after you sand it. So just grab this microfiber towel and then go over it and get it back nice and glossy. But if you use a buffer, it will be 100 times better, but just doing it by hand, it's gonna be A1. Y'all see, clean, no more fade. Compared to here, this is what it was looking like, and now it's back glossy and clean. So y'all see the difference. So yeah, man, that's how you remove pinstriping the easiest way.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.